How was your trading week? I believe some of you had a very good trading week. Some had a very bad trading week. Their trading week was neutral. But let me know in the comment section how your trading week went. I just want to know. I'm curious to really know, honestly. I just want to know, how was your trading week? How was your trading week? Understand? Yeah. This is just a long time journey I started. I don't know how long it's gonna end. I don't know how long it's going to take. But this is just a long-term goal I set for myself here. Documenting my journey right here on YouTube to $2 million in prop firm funding. Yes, this is a goal that can be achieved. You understand? It's not something new. If I achieve it, it's not a big deal. I mean, if I should get this thing, this is not a big deal. Many people have done it before. You understand? Yes. And the best proof that it can be replicated is that someone else has done it before. So I don't believe that $2 million in prop firm funding, not even live funding, prop firm funding is not possible. It's very, very achievable. It's very achievable. So this week this week has been quite funny. But let me tell you one thing. If you cannot sit down straight at the charts, spend hours looking at the charts or minutes analyzing these charts, marking key levels, or for those who trade SMC or ICT, your change of character, your imbalance, just marking those levels correctly without pressing buy nor sell. If you cannot do these things as a trader without pulling the trigger, without doing nothing on the charts, doing absolutely nothing, you did not press buy, you did not press sell, just looking at the charts. If you cannot do these things, see, you're not yet qualified to be a trader. There's a certain level of trading you've never attained. Anytime you open the charts, you must press buy or sell. You see that you are managing a trade every time you are holding a trade. If you have never got to a point where you can stay 1 week, 2 weeks without pressing buy or sell, there's a level of trading you have never attained. Because definitely your good setups can never present itself every time. That is the truth about trading. That's just the truth about trading. So this week, last week trading was really, really fun for me. I never took any trade throughout the week. But if you could check my previous week, you know that I've been in a series of losses. I'm in a deep drawdown right now, almost 6%, and this is a very bad losing streak for me because it's been a very long time I experienced something like this, a very long time, and I have, this profitability in trading has nothing to it has there are very big reason aside looking at the charts. Profitability in trading has more to do outside the chart than even looking at the charts. Let me tell you, there are certain things we'll be passing through currently that affect your decision making in the charts. When you come up, look at the charts, you don't even know what to do again. You're just confused. Those decisions you did not make, as in your past experiences, those things, they affect your decision making in the forex market. So I think that's the phase I'm in currently now. So I decided to let me just watch the charts, let me analyze the charts, but I'm not going to place any trade. Beside my account, this is my current account balance right now. I'm left with just I think 2.4% or 2.2, less than 2.4% for me to blow this account completely. And as you know, I said I'll be risking 1% per trade till the account is gone. But after reanalyzing the situation, I was not like, okay, let me split this account into 3 or 4 so that it's gonna take time for me to finally blow the account, even if I venture, which I don't believe I'm going to blow this account. Yes, I don't believe that. I believe I'll come out from this drawdown. This is just a phase that will come and go. I saw very good setups this week. Not much though, but this particular one on Euro GBP, I saw this one right here on Friday, and it was a very good and perfect trade. I played that very well. Yes, it went straight to my take profits. I waited for the charts, analyzed it, placed the pending order there. Everything played out well. I never took it on my Profim account though. I never took any trade this week. I never took any single trade this week, and I really praise myself for that, because it's not really easy for you to be in a drawdown and just pause, hold myself back for some time. I'm not like, I really need to get this thing done. What's wrong? This was now how I started, and I passed phase 1. Yeah, what's wrong? There's a psychological problem somewhere. So I need to fix that in first before coming back to the charts again. So that's what I decided to do this week. So I had to pause trading for this week. But by next week precisely, I'm going to take trades. I'll take trades next week. And definitely I'll come out from this drawdown and I'll share my experience. I'm not hiding anything from you guys. I'm not here to pretend or show you how I'm flipping account from $10 to $100. That's why I said let me document my journey right here on YouTube. So I'll be sharing with you guys the trade I would have taken this week. That was on Euro GBP. I'd not later take the trade though, but I would have taken it, but I just have to stick to what I said. No trading for the week. The week clearly went well, so I'll be showing my screen here with you how I took that trade. That's it. Yeah, so here's the trade the level I marked up on Euro GBP on today's chart, on last week chart. So here was the only trade I saw. I saw other good setups, but this was the most confident one. I never took the trade, but it's one of my most confident setup. But I just decided that last week I'm not going to trade. So here is just exactly how I do my analysis normally now. You can see this resistance here, a false break, then a true break above it. I waited for this retest, stop loss, and I was going for 1:3. And I think it smashed my take profit in less than 2 hours. Yes, it does activate and boom, it went straight to take profits. I was just like, this was one of my best trades I ever like to take. As in trades that once they trigger, no wasting of time, just head over to your take profits. That was what happened last week. That was the only good setup I know I saw. But because I decided not to trade at all for the week, so I did not take the trade. That was just it. That was the only setup I would have taken last week, but I did not. This was a nice trade. I did not share it on my free Telegram group, and I did not take the trade. But everything is fine. Because next week I have a setup I'm anticipating on silver, XAGUSD. Yeah, I'm anticipating a buy setup right here. I'm anticipating something like a buy from this zone right here. I'm expecting a buy from this zone right here, and I want to watch my take profit up there. Yeah, something like this. I'm anticipating something like this to happen on gold, on silver next week. But let's just see how the team plays out though. Let's see how it plays out. That's just it. Let's see how it plays out. And we can even put a trend line right here. Put a trend line right here. So let's just see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. That's it for last week. That's it for the week. I wanted to use my laptop to record my screen, but I don't know. I've been trying to open TradingView. It's not opening. I've tried to type my type number, load it, off my laptop, on it again. It's not try. I'm trying to trading view is not loading. So I don't know. I had to drop it. So that was how the week went. Nothing much. That's how the week went. So I'll catch you again next week. We keep grinding. Nevertheless, we are not backing back. We are not going. We are not giving up. We just keep pushing. We just keep pushing. I'm believing. I'm hopeful that one day things gonna get better, because right now I'm in a mess somehow. In this account, I'm in a mess. Understand? I'm in a mess. Because by right, I'm supposed to get funded by now. But I just messed everything up. Hopefully I come out strong and I correct these mistakes. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week video. Thank you.